Foshan Globe Caster Company Limited is located in the Nanhai district of Foshan, China. This location gives us added advantage for advanced production machinery, excellent customer communication, and better delivery guarantees. Established in 1988, we have developed into what is now a world-leading caster and wheel manufacturer. Here at Globe, we are proud of our top-notch production and quality levels, earning us top recognition in the caster and wheel industry. At Globe, our outstanding production capacity is the result of a production area of 120,000 square meters, staffed by 500 dedicated employees in order to ensure that our customers can expect their orders quickly and on time. We are ISO 9001 Quality Management and ISO 14001 Environmental Management certified, guaranteeing the advanced quality levels in all of our products. To continue with that trend of quality and reliability, we have introduced a number of cutting-edge automated machines and production lines, which allows for a faster, safer delivery of all customer orders with no product defects. Globe has grown through 3 decades of development, and in that time has earned extensive knowledge, expertise, and experience. Based on our advanced management concept and unique selling proposition, we are 100% committed to the research, development, exploration, innovation, and improvement of casters and wheels. Today, we can provide worldwide customers with more than 21,000 types of high-quality casters for the industrial and commercial applications, ensuring we can meet diverse customer requirements. To date, we have sold our products to more than 30 countries and regions, including Southeast Asia, Europe, Australia, and the United States, among others. Globe's technical team has extensive expertise in offering friendly and comprehensive pre-sales and after-sales services, as well as optimal solutions to our worldwide customers. The mold-making workshop encompasses roughly 1,200 square meters and is equipped with more than 20 diverse sets of processing machines, including 4 wire cutting machines, 1 EDM, electrical discharge machining machine, and more advanced machinery. With these advanced facilities, we can design and produce casters to your specific requirements. Molds are consistently improved upon, which results in a shortened production cycle, extended mold lifespan, and increased production efficiency. Our metal processing workshop covers an area of 10,000 square meters. It houses more than 80 mechanical presses with capacities ranging from 8 tons to 350 tons, as well as 4 automatic punching machines with capacities ranging from 160 tons to 400 tons. In addition, we own and operate 6 automatic welding machines. Our injection molding workshop is used in production of TPU, nylon, TPR wheels, and so on. We only utilize automated production machines in this workshop, which can ensure the quality of our products and significantly improve the production efficiency. This workshop is outfitted with 15 mechanical pressing machines and several automatic assembly machines for the assembly of a diverse range of caster forks. Currently, we own and operate 22 assembly benches, which are strictly managed to form a great production environment. We have 16 manual assembly benches in this workshop. Our assembly operators all have an average of more than 5 years of experience. Equipment in this workshop includes 5 punching machines, 5 automatic shaft pressing machines, 2 automatic packaging lines, and 6 riveting machines. This equipment is used to observe the change of wheels at a water temperature of 90 degrees Celsius. The test will last for 3 days to 7 days. This machine is used to measure the abrasion resistance of casters with capacities ranging from 10 kilograms to 2,000 kilograms. We use this device to determine the impact toughness of various accessories such as screws, rivets, and more. We use this machine to check the braking performance of casters. The test will be repeated 1,000 times. This machine is used to examine static pressure of the casters in both horizontal and vertical directions. We use this equipment to test the casters at temperatures higher than 200 degrees Celsius. The test chamber is used to test the coating of the caster metal parts. It can determine the corrosion resistance of coatings. The impact resistance of wheels is tested at the frozen state and at room temperature. This instrument is used to measure the hardness of brakes, bearings, steel balls, and other caster accessories. At Globe, we have an extensive line of advanced production and testing machinery in order to produce a variety of casters and wheels. With a great location for quick, on-time delivery and a reputation for high-quality products, come to Globe for all of your caster and wheel needs.